Folks, we got ourselves a forklift stuck on the edge of destruction over here, right on a precipice, fitting to tip off into the abyss. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our Military M816 medium duty wrecker, bring it over here and see if we can get this thing unstuck. I'm Caleb and you're watching Bluesprings Ranch. How'd we get ourselves in this predicament?
Well, yesterday I was driving along, came up and trying to back up on this road, and you can see right over here we have spongy ground. So she just drifted off there, and I stopped before it went too far.
Brutal.
But if I had gone any more, it would have drifted right into that tree.
Well, like I said, folks, knowing when to quit's half the battle. So we'll see if we can get this heifer out of here. Stick around. Let's make it happen. All right, folks, let's get this old girl fired up here. Can't see. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna need a chain or something. Folks, here's the plan. Got the boom winch out. I'm going to a nice low point on the forklift so we can get a little bit of lift out of it. This thing has crab steer, so we're going to tilt or turn both tires to the right so that it kind of walks up out of the holes it's in. We got Papa on here on the controls. We'll have Nathan over there on the record. We'll see if we can just walk this thing up out of here. See how it goes. Yes, sir. Popped it right out, folks. Burn in.
Hey! Hallelujah.
Okay, so I'm standing in this thing. Pretty good size hole. Front pro tip for y'all here. These chains are genuine military issue. They got these loops on here so that you can hook them on easy and you can throw them in your panel. Just like that. They drop right in that hole and that's the right size for them right there. So I think this is supposed to have a hook on it, but it broke off the other one or something. Anyway.
You can use them as a choker also.
What?
You can use them as a choker too.
Oh, right on.
You go around a tree or pull up a log or something. Just wrap this end around.
Yeah, pretty slick. Come in pretty handy. Okay, let's get this wrapped up. Oh, see folks, you see what we're getting there? She's starting to slide a little bit to the left. Yes, sir. There we go. Had a little bit of slippage there. That's what was happening yesterday. This really isn't that much side slope, but just enough of that slurry right on the surface there. This thing isn't light, so it doesn't take much. Well, popped her right out of the ground, huh?
Right on. Did you go check out the holes up here?
Yeah, I took a look at it.
Well, boys, thanks for helping me get my iron ox out of the ditch.
No problem.
If you want to check out any more of our videos, especially on this wrecker, we got a really cool one swinging a PBR boat cradle up onto a trailer and hauling it over to Sacramento. It's pretty good action.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
Yeah, that was fun. If you guys like what you saw here and you want to see our other videos that we're bringing out, go ahead and hit that notification bell. That's all for now. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Godspeed.